Lot number 520 is a 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. That's pretty cool. Alright, so it's a 1999 Dodge Ram utility truck. It's got an enclosed utility bed. This one has a 5.9 liter V8 with 133,000 original miles. The engine sounds good. It's been running for about 45 minutes. It has not overheated. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages, but the AC blows warm. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. Engine sounds good. Revs up nice, idles smooth, 133,072 miles. All the gauges look good. There's no check engine light on. This one sounds good. AC blows warm. The body is straight. The paint is peeling and faded. It shows surface rust all around. Headlights are dull. It's got all matching steel wheels. The tires look good. It's missing all of the hubcaps. It's got a reading utility bed, which appears to be in good shape. It shows normal wear and tear. All the cabinet doors open and close as they should. Driver's side rear cabinet door is dented right here in the bottom, but it still opens and closes as it should. Alright, so this one is an enclosed. It's got an enclosed cargo area. And the enclosure here looks good. Alright. Okay, this side door doesn't open. It's got metal shelves along both sides. They appear to be in good shape. It's got a nice cabinet here. Shows surface rust on the floor, but appears to be solid. Oh, it has a rust hole on the floor right there. So the floor looks a little rusty. Paint peeling, surface rust, couple of rust spots, and rusty floor inside. Here's the passenger side. Cabinet looks good. This cabinet looks good. And so does this one. Let me show you the interior. Oh, this door's locked. Interior shows normal wear and tear. The driver's seat is torn. The dashboard is cracked. Headliner's like missing. It's really torn and hanging. It's missing the glove box. Passenger seat looks good. Center console armrest looks good. The steering wheel is worn. The rubber mat on the floor still looks good. And the door panels are a little faded. Alright, there it is. It's an old work truck. It runs and drives. AC blows warm. Engine sounds good. It's idling very smooth. It revs up nice. It's lot number 520. 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. Good luck.